In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine first and last names in Google Sheets. Open your spreadsheet where you already have first and last names in separate columns, and click into the empty cell where you want the combined name to appear. This keeps your original data intact and lets you build a clean, full name without overwriting anything. To start a formula, type an equal sign. In Google Sheets, every formula begins with that symbol, and it tells Sheets you're about to give it instructions rather than plain text. Now begin typing the word con. You'll see Google Sheets suggest functions that match what you're typing. From that list, choose concatenate. Clicking it is a quick way to insert the function without typing it out fully, and Sheets will add the opening parenthesis for you so you can supply the pieces you want to join. Next, click the cell that contains the last name. You'll notice that cell's reference appears inside the parentheses. That tells Sheets to use whatever text is in that cell as the first part of the combined result. Press the comma key on your keyboard. In formulas, the comma simply separates one argument from the next, letting Sheets know you're adding another piece of text to glue together. Now click the cell that contains the first name and then press Enter to finish the formula. Sheets will evaluate what you wrote and display a combined name using the two cells you selected. In this setup, concatenate is joining the last name and the first name directly, one after the other. A quick note on what you're seeing. Concatenate takes multiple pieces of text and stitches them together in the exact order you provide. Because we joined the last name first, then the first name, that's the order of the output. If you prefer a space or punctuation between them, concatenate can include that as an additional text piece. For example, many people like a space between names or a comma followed by a space. Those separators are just treated like any other text you can add as another argument. Also keep in mind that the specific cell letters and numbers you see will depend on where your names are stored. The technique is the same regardless of column or row. If your data ever includes accidental extra spaces, functions like trim can help clean those up before or as you combine them. That's all there is to it. By typing an equals sign, choosing concatenate, selecting the last name, adding a comma, then selecting the first name and pressing Enter, you've quickly built a clear combined name right inside Google Sheets.